If you are a business owner and you need a foreign bank account to receive money from your clients internationally, this video right here is for you. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to get a foreign account from the USA, which is a dollar account, and also an account from the UK, which is a pound sterling account. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get your bank account number with your name as the beneficiary for both your dollar or your British pounds account. So it's very much simple and easy. I'm going to walk you guys through the step-by-step procedure in doing this. So the platform you're going to use in this video is Payoneer. So Payoneer is a financial platform that has been around for a long time. So all you need to do is just search Payoneer online and create an account. So after creating the account, you need to use your national ID, a verified one, to create the account. So after creating the account, you can link your local bank account to it. So in Ghana here, you can link your local banks to it, unlike PayPal that you can't link any bank to it. If you're in Nigeria, you can link your local banks as well. Any part of the world you find yourself, you can link your account to it. So now after creating your account, on your home page like this, you need to tap on this side, which is Get Paid. So I tap on that. So I move to this side, which is Get Paid. So on here, you need to tap on the receiving account. That's the account you need to receive money on. So in this account, I have two different accounts, which is the USA and then the British. So I'm going to open it. I'm going to blur my account number and some few other info on here. So this is the British pounds accounts for people based in the UK. So I tap on that to expand it. Good. And you can see here, this is the bank name, which is Barclays Bank. This is the account number and this is the beneficiary name. So on here, they have some 1, 2, 3 guidelines you need to follow. So you scroll down and then read it after creating your account. And let me show you guys how you can get your USA bank account as well, which is your dollar account. So you just tap on this as well to expand. It's going to take some time. Good. And it's here. So this bank is First Century Bank. Let me search on here for you guys to see. Good. So it's based in the US. You can see NA. So it's based in the US. So this is your bank account and this is your routing number and this is your account type, which is a checking account. And yes, this one too has some 1, 2, 3 guidelines and you can see my name as the beneficiary. So that's it on how you can get a foreign bank account, which is a UK account and a dollar account for the US. If you are new here, try to give this video a like and then subscribe to my channel. If you have any question in regards with this video, you can drop it in the comment section and I'm going to help you with that. That's it for the video. Peace.